Thinking of taking the bus from Fuengirola to Malaga? Whether you're heading to the city for a day trip or catching a connection, this easy guide will help you travel with confidence. We're covering the M-113 bus from Fuengirola's main station, with scenic stops at Benalmádena's Puerto, Marina and Torremolinos Centro, before arriving at Malaga's city centre. No stress, no confusion. Your journey starts right here at the Fuengirola bus station, centrally located and just a few minutes walk from the seafront and biopark. Look for the M113 bus, which runs several times a day. You can check the schedule online or at the station. Tickets are purchased directly from the driver. Just have a few euros in cash ready, preferably with small change. Once you're on board, grab a seat and relax. You're about to enjoy one of the most scenic coastal rides on the Costa del Sol. First stop, Puerto Marina Benalmádena, one of Spain's most picturesque marinas. Think seafood restaurants, waterfront bars, and boat trips. If that sounds like your kind of stop, hop off and enjoy. But if you're bound for Malaga, just sit back, we're not far. Next up, Torremolinos Centro. This stop puts you right in the heart of a vibrant resort town, famous for its tapas bars, beaches, and buzzing atmosphere. Whether you're visiting or just passing through, it's a great place to know. Still heading to Malaga? Great, just one more leg of the journey. And here we are, Malaga's Muelle Heredia bus station. It's just a short walk to the historic city centre, the port, Cala Larios, and some of Malaga's best attractions. Before you travel, here are a few quick tips to make things even easier. Check the timetable online, links are on my website. The Wi-Fi is excellent. Use Google Maps. Keep it on while on the bus so you know when to get off. Carry some cash, tickets cost just a few euros, and small change helps. Need Wi-Fi? Most cafes along the coast offer free access. And that's it, your simple, stress-free guide to taking the bus from Fuengirola to Malaga. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more travel tips, guides, and hidden gems from the Costa del Sol. Hey there, sun seekers. Planning a Costa del Sol escape? My website and YouTube channel have you covered with resort insights, attractions, local tips, and vibrant festivals, all topped with helpful reviews. Whether dreaming or ready to jet off, my site simplifies your journey. Scan the QR code for pocket-sized guidance on the go. Join the adventure. Explore the links in the description for an effortless Costa del Sol experience. Let's make your getaway memorable. Happy travels! Thanks for watching, and enjoy life.